A while loop is a way of repeating a block of commands for as long as a particular expression remains true, such as while temperature is less than 20 degrees, keep the heater on. While hungry, eat food. While number of people in the shop is less than 100, keep the doors open. While time is not equal to 5 p.m, keep working. The mantra is very much the same as the one we learned for for loops. While, do, done. The difference is this test expression. In here we have to write something for the while loop to test whether it's true or not, every time it reaches this line of code. Then it carries out these commands before returning to here and checking if it's still true. In Bash, we can compare either numbers or even strings of characters. Let's start with numbers. We can ask if number A is equal to number B by using -EQ. -NE means not equal to number B, LT is less than, LE is less than or equal to, and then the same for greater than too, with GT and GE. It's important to leave these spaces around the square brackets like this. So let's make a game where the user has to guess a number, and let's just make that number 4. We'll explain the game to the user and ask them for the first guess, which we're going to save in a variable quite imaginatively called number. Then while this number is not equal to 4, we're going to tell them, nope, you guessed wrong, and ask them to have another go. Before finally, when they get it right, we'll congratulate them for being a good little kitten. When they have guessed 4, this statement will no longer be true. So Bash will jump out of this block of code and begin executing the commands underneath. When dealing with character strings, the symbols are slightly different. We use a double equal sign for is equal to, and an exclamation mark equal sign for not equal to. Let's rewrite our game to guess a vegetable instead. You didn't think we were going to get through this session without me using the vegetable example, did you?